In previous video, my pipeline was got failed. Furthermore, we diagnosed the problem and find the solution that we had all the files in our local repository Azure DevOps, which was supposed to in my local system on premises. For this, first and foremost, what I'll have to do, I'll have to install Python 3.9 or any higher version in your local system. So let me show the official website here. Here is the official website, Python 3.9.10. Furthermore, you will have to scroll down for Windows installer, and here we have Windows installer 64-bit. Usually we have 64-bit PC in our machine. So I'm going to select this installer and let's install my software in my local machine. So I'm going to check this C drive. Here we have this folder. You will have to mount or provide the address here, Python 3.9, and inside this folder I'll have DLL files, script file, DLL, python.exe and other metadata. Now once these files are there, now what I'll do, I'll create this part here. I'll create this pipeline. Here we have to include this command line. So how would you get this command line? Go to add task, going to click this command, COMA command line. Here you can run your script using bash on Linux. So I'm going to use this command line. Now in this install, I'm going to rename this install Python version. I'm going to provide this set path C drive and then Python 3913. If you go back here, this is my folder name. Click here and copy this address. Copy here. In case you have another address, you can copy that folder location again. Inside the same folder, we have a script directory. In the latter part of this code, after semicolon, you can see this script percentage path is also given. In addition, we have Python version and Python version as well. In advanced, we do not have any working directory. In control option, I didn't change anything. Now go to install prerequisite. So we have the same path here. We have the version and we have all the necessary listed required Python packages. Nevertheless, previously we were importing that file from the local machine repository and files, but here I have just giving all the versions directly. Later on in the third step, I want to run my Python file here. So I'm going to provide this echo. This is the message running my Python script and the string test file. Now for this run, we must check whether this agent is running or not. It must be in running condition or line mode. What I'll do, I'll check my command prompt using administrator, go to the same folder cd, provide that path, run your file which named as run.cfd and then going to provide here. Now if you have this file here, now you can go ahead and you can run this file and make sure you have provided this publish test result as it is. So eventually you are going to result. If you run this pipeline, you can see this will run currently. So I'm going to save and queue, save and run again. Click on this agent job. Here you can see it got commenced. Start running your pipeline. Though that may be true, it may take few minutes, but it will be successfully running. Can you see less than 1 minute or 2 minutes, all these commands got executed. And one more thing you just keep in mind that in the same folder here, we have this file here. We are going to navigate this path here. Go to C drive, going C drive here, Azure DevOps my agent quota, inside my new agent. Inside this agent, here we have work directory. Here we have 3, here we have S, and here we have the train and train.ml and test.py. So whatever file we have here, if you copy this one, training, whatever file, required file I do require to run these pipeline, I just paste it here. So that's my local premises, on premises, on-prem. So I'm going to inherit these files and then going to run this pipeline successfully. If you go to pipeline, you can see this pipeline got succeed. See you in next video. Thank you.